How to temporarily disable a Snapchat account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to temporarily disable a Snapchat account. Open up the Snapchat application on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Your profile page will show up. Now, look for the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see the delete account option. Tap on delete account and enter your username when prompted. After entering your username, tap on next to continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Enter your password and tap on next to confirm the deactivation of your account. Snapchat will provide you with some details about the deactivation process. Take a moment to read through the information. Finally, you'll be asked to enter your username and password one last time to confirm the temporary deactivation of your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.